Network automation means different things in different markets. For an enterprise, network automation is still proprietary because it is integrated into the software-defined data center stacks that are provided by vendors. For a carrier whose business is the network automation includes people, process, and product automation.
10 years ago, Google reinvented the data center and the way in which services are deployed in a data center. Pretty much ever since then, everyone wants to be able to have the same type of capabilities, everyone in a major enterprise.
Automating a global enterprise at scale is a very difficult task. The concept of building a software company inside every Global 2000 enterprise is very daunting and monumental. There are a lot of challenges that exist, and Gluware is here to help apply powerful intelligence to accelerate enterprises on their network automation journey.
So in this hyper-connected environments where users are anywhere, the explosion of IoT devices happening at the edge and applications in a multi-cloud environment, networking as such is getting extremely complex. But managing the network shouldn't be complicated. It should be simple. And the answer to that simplicity is automation.
So unfortunately, network automation is still largely driven by scripts, and it's a very human-centric mindset. And we're really moving towards a machine-centric network automation concept. And to do so, we really need to think about adopting orchestration concepts, controller concepts, DevOps concepts, and really move from humans on CLIs to machine-driven automation.
The next generation of automation, we believe, is a mixture of access to devices, an API into devices, and massively scalable workflows. We've learned our lesson from the cloud operators in terms of how we can horizontally scale a massive number of infrastructure workflows, and we took that lesson and applied it to networking.
People have been talking about automation for a very long time, but mostly when people talk about automation, they mean configuration management. They mean day zero automation, essentially pushing configurations on day zero onto devices. That's a very limited view of automation. Automation, for it to make a difference, needs to encompass the entire life cycle of infrastructure services. Day zero, day one, day two plus. It needs to be centered around a single source of truth, a representation of your infrastructure, all of the state of the infrastructure, and how it relates to the desired outcomes, this notion of intent.
So inside Chai Mobile, we really see the marriage between the network and AI is a key for 5G, for the next generation of network. Because for that purpose, we actually merge our AI R&D together with the network. The folks used to do R&D for network for development.
LF Networking and ONAP delivered an amazing release called Dublin this summer. Dublin is focused on network automation for the telecom providers before 5G hits.
Inside AT&T, we actually take ONAP, the open source code, we bring it in, we create something we still call eComp. And the reason that is that we have to add our order management, our BSS systems, our OSS systems to it. But it's been up and running in our network for many years now. It's not just in mobility, it's not just in our business area, it's not just in our consumer area, it's wide across all our infrastructure areas. So it's really become the de facto of what we use to build the network going forward.